How to use Ninite for easy software installation. Ninite is a handy tool for installing multiple applications simultaneously without dealing with confirmation dialogues or bundled software. Here's a quick guide to using it. Step-by-step guide. 1. Visit Ninite website. Go to ninite.com/ninite.com/. Select your software. Choose the applications you want by ticking the boxes next to each program in their respective categories, e.g. web browsers, documents, media. 3. Download installer. Click Get Your Ninite to download the custom installer. 4. Run the installer. Double-click the downloaded Ninite installer.exe. 5. Wait for installation. Ninite will automatically download and install the selected programs. 6. Finish and close. Once all installations are complete, click Close.